Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very good. मैं आज आपके सामने 10 पुशअप वेरिएशंस लेके आया हूँ जो आपको करनी ही चाहिए इन ऑर्डर टू गेन योर मसल साइज इन योर चेस्ट. तो ये जो 10 पुशअप वेरिएशन है उसमें सारे एस्पेक्ट आ जाते हैं. हमारे एक्सप्लोसिव पुश मूवमेंट, हमारी आइसोमेट्रिक, इसेंट्रिक सब आ जाता है. सो और सारे एंगल से हिट करेंगे हम अपने चेस्ट को. सो अपर फाइबर्स ऑफ चेस्ट मसल, लोअर फाइबर्स ऑफ चेस्ट मसल और इनर फाइबर्स ऑफ चेस्ट मसल सब इसमें आ जाएगा. सो दिस आर दी 10 must do push-up variation for you to increase your chest gain. So without any further ado, let's start the workout. 10 push-up variation मतलब 10 एक्सरसाइज होगी. आपको 10 रेप करने हैं. बैक टू बैक कर सकते हो आप या फिर बीच में 10 या 15 सेकंड का गैप रख सकते हो एंड देन यू कैन मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. बट इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज योर इंटेंसिटी देन डोंट टेक रेस्ट, डू बैक टू बैक 10 एक्सरसाइज 10 रेप मतलब 100 reps तो वो हो गए एंड डू probably 2 or 3 sets and your 300 reps are good to go for your chest gains. So let's start the workout. First variation is regular push-ups. Before going to any other variation, it is very important that you try to master regular push-ups. If you cannot do regular push-ups, start mastering that. We will do 10 reps and move on to next variation. Next variation is plyo push-ups with slow eccentrics. This is a very good variation to train explosiveness and also muscle tension with slow eccentrics. If you cannot do slow eccentrics, then try doing regular plyo push-ups. We'll do again 10 reps and then move on to next variation. Next variation is elevated push-ups. Hitting chest from different angles is must for complete chest gains. This will target your upper chest or upper fibers of your chest and help you to develop that upper chest gains. Fourth variation is pseudo push-ups or river wrist push-ups. This will hit lower part of your chest and also outer part of your chest. Your hand placement should be behind your shoulder line and close to your waistline to properly hit that lower chest or lower fibers of your chest muscle. Next is 1.5 push-ups. This is a way to add more volume because muscle is under tension for more duration than regular. Also helps to improve stretch reflexes in order to be explosive in your upper body. Next exercise is archer's push-up. The arms are wide like a bow. This exercise gives greater stretch to the muscles and helps to increase single arm or unilateral strength because the extended arm does not or do less work while other arm is working. So we're gonna do 5 on each side and that will complete our 10 reps total. Moving on to next exercise is diamond push-ups. This might be optimal to target more triceps, but it is also good exercise to target your inner chest line and also mid chest fibers. Next variation is typewriter push-ups. The hand placement will be same as archers push-up, but you will move side to side, putting constant tension on muscle and putting stretch on muscle fibers, putting more stretch on your muscle fibers. Next exercise is Hindu push-ups. This is a great exercise and usually you see them performed by Pahlwans in akhadas. This is overall chest builder. It targets all the heads of the chest and also targets your anterior delt partially. This is one of the exercises you must do to build overall chest. Last variation is push-up with shoulder taps. This will work on stability and isometric aspect also. Good exercise to build strength. So these are 10 push-up variations for chest. Hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you until next time. Goodbye.